How to change Yahoo Mail display name. If you want to update your name that appears when you send email, follow these steps to change your Yahoo Mail display name. In Yahoo Mail app, open your Yahoo Mail application. Tap onto your profile icon from top left corner of your screen. In the pop-up, you have to select Settings. In Settings interface, tap Manage Accounts. In here, you have to tap on Accounts. Select Personal Info from Account section. In Personal Info, you can see your current name displayed. Tap on Update Personal Details to change it. Tap on your current name, delete it and enter your new display name. Then tap on Save. You can send a test email to check if your new name appears correctly. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Yahoo Mail display name.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.